Hey y'all, today we have a 3rd gen Tundra in the shop in for an oil change. So techsport.com sells OE and aftermarket, in this case Motul 8100 Eco Energy oil change kits. So our kits include an OE filter, TechSport oil change sticker, and of course the drain plug gasket, everything you need. In addition, for this customer, we're going to take a sample to get analyzed, and we're going to get started to show you exactly how to do it all. So stay tuned. All right, so first we're going to remove this little felt cover to expose the oil filter. A couple more 12s up here underneath the little air shroud. With that felt cover off, we can now see the oil filter, easily spin that off, and we're gonna grab our wrench to remove the drain bolt and start draining that oil. All right, got the basin set up with a 14mm wrench to then crack the drain plug for the engine oil here. All right, with the engine oil drained, we're gonna swap out this old drain plug gasket for the new one, same color blue OE gasket, and we're gonna go ahead and thread that back into the pan. So on the 3rd gen Tundra, the oil filter is located up here on the bottom of the front of the motor. And there's a nice little drain basin here for the filter as you spin it off with a hole right here. We found in our Carlisle drain basin some tubing that fits up perfectly to that hole, where we can then, as we spin that filter off, allow the oil to drain down here, not make a mess on this customer's front subframe, and get the filter changed. So we're gonna do that. All right, we're just gonna pre-oil the O-ring on the new OEM filter for this Tundra. Get that all ready to go. We're going to clean that mating surface up and spin that on. Slide this little carpeted cover back up and put in the 4 12mm bolts. Bring her down, fill her up. TechSport spill-free funnel, you know the deal. Makes this much easier than trying to hang your body over and put 7 or 8 liters of oil into this V35A. So let's get started filling it up. So the V35A engine in the new Tundra takes 7.7 liters of oil, so the kit includes 8. We're gonna start with this 5 and keep adding. Check the dipstick, and we're good to go. All right, that's 7.7 liters. We're gonna unthread the spill-free funnel, which made this job super easy. Put the OE cap back on, So that's a wrap on this V35A Tundra engine oil change. Hope you guys found this helpful. Again, check out techsport.com for both OE and aftermarket fluid service kits for your Toyota today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.